Hello people! Today you're going to learn how to draw another character. This is part 2 of my character design adventure. I will put part 1 somewhere around here so you can click it. My name is Paulo Pássaro. I'm an animator and director. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video. Here we go! So I began this character using a simple shape, again, like the other exercise. I've used a triangle, and I used a reference from the internet because I wanted to do a warrior. So I'm going to do a Crusader in this video. And in this exercise, I was also worried about the silhouette of the character. If my character was a shadow, like painted in black, everything in black, I could again understand what he's doing because of his silhouette. The silhouette is very important for you to communicate something with your character, because at the end of the day we are trying to communicate something, drawing, and by the silhouette you can understand what the character is doing. So he's carrying an axe and he's like a warrior or a fighter or someone big and intimidating. So that's why the silhouette is so important. I also wanted to use the triangle several times inside the character, not only as his chest. I wanted to use like his head is like a triangle, his feet, his fingernails. So I was thinking about this stuff during the whole process. Now I'm cleaning the stroke. I'm using a pencil brush stroke. I like to use it to give this sketchy look. And I was like trying to do some details. I was not completely satisfied with what I was doing, so I was trying a lot of stuff during the process, more details. So I've used like a triangle for the eyes, as you can see, because if you use a lot of pointy things, the character will be threatening. Now I'm using some colors. I took these colors from the internet as well. I wanted to use interesting colors that could combine with each other, if I can say this. And I was painting, and I was going to try some shadow effects as well. Now I'm using another layer to do the highlights. You use a gray layer and then you start erasing the points where the light gets, where the light hits. And then you multiply this layer with the color layer. It's a simple process. I like this process a lot. And then I painted the highlight at the end. I've used another layer with overlay blend mode. And here it is. Here's my warrior threatening character.